Hello everyone, Amal here with a daily market update. First, a quick disclaimer. Okay, let's start with spiders. I just wanted to post this today because obviously there was a very happening day today. So, as all of you know, if you've been following me, that I have my 401k is 100% cash, and I've been raising cash. I was expecting, or I was seeing market to pull back a little, at least to 50-day moving average. On the contrary, so today spiders was up 0.60%. Now these are the extension. So I was initially thinking that we will have another leg up, which never came. Yesterday was Georgia runoffs. There is absolutely no way I would have held everything in market over the Georgia runoffs, just because it's a binary event, and I'm not going to really gamble around an event. So whatever the result is what it is. So initially a few indexes corrected, and then they bounced back, and then they gave up little gains towards the end of the day. Higher than average volume here, up day on spiders 0.60. So I believe some selling came in towards the end. So we'll have to see. So if you look at the weekly chart very quick here, so it is going sideways a little bit. So we'll have to see if it can continue to move up. It can, another 5% or so. So absolutely no telling. Let's look at Qs. That was a little weaker today. Down 1.39%. So rotation going on into small caps, mid caps for a while now, and that looks like is the theme for now. So we will continue to look at that here. Let me see very quick. Okay, we'll probably go over those very quick as well. Okay, let's look at IWM, which was the strongest again. So up 4%. So again, it looks like maybe after all another leg higher. So this one has another. Why don't we just go all the way here then? So that's the upper resistance line. It's about another 7%. I spoke about this a while ago, that I was drawing some lines, and then I was talking to one of my friends, and I'm like, hey, this can actually, and I was talking to him somewhere here, I don't exactly remember now. That's not what matters though. So I was telling him, hey, this can go really high. This can go probably another 30% or so. So I believe I was talking to him here. And that's what it looks like may happen. So we'll see. We'll see if this continues. And then I will stay on the sideline, because I need to see some kind of low risk entry, which it's not going to offer. So at this point, I'm a sold out bull, which is what happened early last year when the same account I actually sold here, right there. And then market continued its merry way up. So I missed out on about 5% last time. So, same thing can happen this time. History repeats itself. So I may miss out on 5% gains. So that's fine. I will live with that. So we'll see what happens next. So this is the key. So if you are not on the sidelines, everybody manages their portfolios differently. So it is very important not to be stuck with one kind of mindset, because it can affect us negatively on whether you're investing or trading. So it's certainly affecting me, and I'll go over some stocks that I've been covering since this weekend, and we'll see how well they worked, most of them at least. And then I couldn't really participate because my mindset is like I'm expecting a correction, which is fine. Again, this is a learning lesson for me. So hopefully I'll do better next time. Let's look at 50, IBD 50. So again, these are all growth stocks. So it was down. Dow was up as well, up 1.44%, and volume was really high as well. Let's look at ACWI was up 0.56%. Emerging markets was down 0.85%. So that kind of covers all the major ETFs that I normally cover. So again, we will have to see. It looks like market wants to break out. So, it has further upside, about 5% to 5% on this. IWM has about 7%. Absolutely no reason. This is the maximum extension it had recently. So it can definitely get to this blue line, at which point we can see what happens. Now, I would not be entering, at least in my 401k and my other account. I sold another stock today. I sold Merck. Again, it is more of a time fatigue here. So I sold this one. My sell price was $82 here, so that got sold there. I was working all day today, so I didn't have a chance to adjust. I will be most likely divesting Microsoft tomorrow as well, because it's not really acting well. So that is all I have. Let's see what market gives us. Let's see what market shows us. However, I will definitely have to wait for a good entry. Right now I'm a sold out bull if the market continues to go up. I do have exposure in the market. I'm still about 60% in the market. So my other stocks are doing well, and we'll see when I find more opportunities to invest. I will obviously lay it down like I always do. I hope everyone is doing well. That's all I have for today. Take care.